Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Jeep Gladiator tail lights. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal, then open the tailgate and remove any bed caps or interior panels to access the tail light mounting screws. Use a ratchet or T30 driver to loosen screws, gently pull the housing outward, and unplug the wiring harness by depressing the tab. Keep screws and clips organized for reinstallation. Carefully remove the T30 screws holding the tail light, then use steady pressure to avoid snapping tabs or scratching paint. Once the housing is loose, support it with one hand while you free the wiring harness with the other, pressing the release tab and pulling straight back. Inspect the rubber grommet and connector for corrosion, then set the housing on a protected surface to prevent damage while you replace bulbs or upgrade to LED units. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and voice control to your workspace, so you can set timers, hear instructions, or play tunes while you work hands-free. It fits easily on a shelf and connects to your phone for streaming. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Before reinstalling, test the tail light function by temporarily reconnecting the battery and activating brake, turn, and reverse lights. After confirming operation, disconnect the battery again, align the housing tabs, and press the unit into place, ensuring the rubber seal seats snugly. Reinstall screws evenly and avoid over-torquing to prevent cracking. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal and perform a final light check to confirm proper installation and sealing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.